for UKGP Assembly. Let us begin the session with the prayer. Our theme is gratitude. Norway's formidable combination by Nelson Mandela. With திருக்குறள் நன்றி மறப்பது நன்றன்று நன்றல்லது அன்றே மறப்பது நன்று பொருள் பிறர் செய்த உதவியை ஒருபோதும் மறக்கக்கூடாது அது நன்றியற்ற செயலாம். Thank you. We want to speak first about the gratitude. Gratitude means thank you for good things. My name is Shashwat. This is our Gandhi. This is our van driver. The van is for the school and then back to home safely. We should be grateful for the help. Thank you. This is our school security. We call our outlets for the dance.
Every time I'm feeling down, you pick me up. And when my heart is feeling empty out, you fill my cup. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you.